Today we are going to learn how to make this spotlight effect in Figma in just 2 steps. Add a circle and add width and height to it. Add a fill color and a layer blur of 100. Add a frame and set the height and width to 40 pixels. Add the circle in the frame and create a component. Now create a component set and hide the circle in the second one. Now turn off clip content. For the backdrop rotating circles, we need to add 2 circles and add a layer blur of 100 and add a fill to it. I think 200 will work in this case. Now make a component and add a variant to it. I think layer blur 400 will work best. So change the layer blur, add clip content, remove the clip content and finish this group. After this, add the desired frame and add a darker fill to it. Add your desired text. After adding the text, duplicate the text and take it out of the frame. Now take the smaller component that we made with the smaller circle and cover the text with them. Duplicate it a few times and add them to a frame for ease. Duplicate them a few more times so that whole text is covered in it. Now after that, takes the text and the frame you just made above the previous text and order the layers in this order and mask the upper text with the frame you just made. Now add the backdrop rotating circles that you made. Also change the color to a color of the backdrop text. Now choose to prototype and use these settings as shown.